Hey yo, what's going on guys? My name is Gabriel from Sdn Gabriel. Alright, so basically today we are going to talk about vertical gardening and our plans on what we are going to do to this place, how to make it more attractive so that students can come here and eat, chat, make some new friends and all. Okay, so this is my team. We are actually Persatuan Pertandingan. So our school has Pertandingan, so yeah, it's a win-win for us and all. So the sponsors mainly are Universiti Malaya, thanks to them, and Mr. DIY for giving us the opportunity to do this kind of video. Alright, so I'll be starting from him. He will be introducing.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Arifan. I'm from Pertandingan Group with them.
Next me, hi, I'm Dishindit. As you can see, John Chinese here. Hello, my name is Azab Faris.
My name is Dan.
Alright, this is all of us, and after this you're going to explain in detail forms. Alright, today basically I'm going to talk about vertical gardening. Alright, so vertical gardening, what is it actually? Many people may ask. It's actually mini decoration. As you can see, it's like really plain. There's nothing around here. So yeah, vertical gardening is actually small plants where we need to like fill up spaces so that other people come sit down, they'll be relaxed, happy and all, you know that? Yeah, so it's like that basically. And yeah, I'm going to pass it on to my member.
Ya, hai kawan-kawan. So hari ni kita nak cakap pasal kaedah untuk membuat vertical gardening. So contohnya dalam model ni kita boleh nak buat macam hanging plant ya. Hanging plant kat sini macam gunakan baby chairs ke yang boleh menarikkan tempat ni. So selain daripada tu adalah creative plate yang boleh buat macam almari.
Okay, kami menggunakan tempat ini kerana tempat ini sangat terbuka dan luas. Ini kerana tempat ini boleh dilihat oleh para pelajar, guru-guru, acik-acik cleaner, acik-acik kantin dan juga kami juga memilih vertical gardening kerana vertical gardening pembuatannya sangat kos yang murah, mudah dan ceria. Tambahan lagi, tempat ini juga dapat dilihat daripada jauh. Contohnya seperti atas sana. Pelajar-pelajar boleh melihat tanaman-tanaman ini daripada atas sana.
Okay, that's all from us guys. Thank you Universiti Malaya and Mr. DIY for giving us this golden opportunity to explain ourselves what is vertical gardening from us Sdn Gabriel. And yeah, just hit that like button, support us so that we can get on to the next phase. Okay guys, so please support us, like the like button right now, pause this video and go like it.
And we hope you all can understand what is the meaning of vertical gardening.
That's all from us. Goodbye.